This is good size. Whatever. This is head shakes, dude, and I'm not even joking.
Get on it, bud. All right, you remember that little cilantro plant I had for my gardening video? If you haven't seen the gardening video, check it out. But this is it now. I did the thing where I put it in a larger pot this year, thanks for the advice, Megan. And it has been growing like a weed. I've already cut several sprigs off this thing for a couple of recipes, and it just keeps growing back. It hasn't bolted yet, which is awesome. I got some parsley back here. It's growing almost as well. It's very fucking cool. So anyway, I'm going to be making some fish tacos from that Cabezon that we caught the other day, or Buck caught the other day, to be fair. Yeah, I knitted it. I had an assist.
Oh, yeah, baby.
All right, bro, let's see what you got here.
Dude, I'm telling you, Pat, this could be a fucking butt.
Well,
I'm telling you, Pat, this is not like a fucking ling.
like really? Because I would,
This is
my
not,
guess from observing would be ling.
this is not like
Careful, careful. Do not break them off, brother.
This thing is straight up and down, Pat.
Isn't. Oh, well, actually, not now. It could be a flounder, a large
Here it
flounder.
Dude, is that a fucking butt?
I can't see it yet. I saw color, but no shape.
This thing is heavy, dude.
Take your time with it, brother. Take your time. Clearly have a hook set in it, so don't.
That's a big fucking ling.
That is a ling.
Dude, is that a...
Jesus, that's a goddamn Cabezon, man.
Get him.
I got him. He's in. It's a huge Cabezon. Holy shit.
Holy shit, dude. That's the biggest cab I've ever seen.
Same here. It's a massive.
Dude, that was tough on the arm.
Well done, brother. I want to show you a real quick trick for sort of combining and making your salsa or your pico de gallo for it, and also marinating your fish. Kind of two-in-one job. Check this out. All right, guys, I'm not going to give you a recipe for pico de gallo because it's just so simple. It is the epitome of dice and mix. And if you're not familiar with cooking without a recipe, this is a great one to start on because you just sort of chop some stuff up, add it together, start tasting it, see what you want more of, what you want less of. But I will give you a quick overview. So essentially, diced tomato, diced onion. I like red onion. You can use white onion. They're both good. And those two are diced, pretty small. You've seen salsa, right? Okay. From there, you finely mince garlic. You chop up cilantro. You squeeze in some lime juice. Chop up some jalapeno or other chili pepper if you like spicy food. And season with a little salt and pepper. Maybe add in a little tiny touch of olive oil if you like. That's optional. And then if you'd like to branch out from there, I like putting diced avocado in mine. You can put in diced mango or pineapple, chopped up bits of orange, whatever you like. It's really, really a versatile and easy recipe. I will give you one quick guideline though, just to kind of get you on started here. For every medium tomato, figure you're going to want about a 1/4 cup of chopped onion, and then 1 clove, this is a whole bulb, just 1 clove of minced garlic. And from there, let's say, call it a tablespoon of chopped cilantro, and cut a 1/2 a lime and squeeze, not quite all of it in for 1 tomato, but how often do you do 1 tomato of anything? So, but that's your basis. Try that, taste it, and my advice is, if you're planning on going out fishing and you know you're going to want to be making tacos, make it the night before. Pico de gallo really benefits well from sitting in the fridge covered and letting all the flavors sort of blend together and enhance each other. If it's one of those deals where you weren't positive, you get back and it's the afternoon, before you start cleaning up the fish and cleaning up everything, make your pico first, wrap it, put it in the fridge. That way it's got an hour or so, whatever, just sort of really flavors to sort of bloom and come out. It works better. You'll start getting juices out of these things, and that's kind of where I'm going with this. I'm gonna make up some pico real quick. I'm not gonna bore you with the chopping video on this one, but I'm gonna show you a quick trick I have for once you have pico de gallo made and you're getting ready to do your fish tacos, how to marinate your fish real easy with like no extra steps. So just check this out real quick. It's real simple. All right, so I've got my pico de gallo made, and this I just finished this like 15 minutes ago, and already there is all this liquid coming off it, and more will come off as it sits. But obviously, you don't want to pour that much liquid onto your fish taco, so you want to strain that all away or scoop away from it anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pour some of that excess liquid off, and not worry about maybe a few bits of onion tomato too. I'm going to pour this right on top of my clean fish. So I'm planning to do grilled fish tacos, and you can do this if you're frying it as well. But on grilled fish tacos, that excess liquid, I'm going to pour it right on top, let that sit for maybe an hour, and then when it comes time to grill it, all I'm going to do is salt and pepper it a little bit, and it will have amazing flavor and make for great tacos. And my tacos are really simple. It's just going to be the warm tortillas, the grilled fish, pico de gallo, some of my white sauce. Again, check baketoplate.com to get that recipe for white sauce, and then maybe a little shredded lettuce or cabbage. I like avocado on mine too, but you can, but that's basically it. It's, fish on tortillas with pico de gallo, and in my case, white sauce. Actually, you can stop with just the fish on tortilla with pico and lettuce or cabbage if you want. Like I said, I love the white sauce. Check out that recipe, but that's it. So anyway, give this a try. You're already making pico for your fish tacos anyway, at least you should be. Don't use bottled stuff. This is way, way too easy to make. But when you do it, you have this liquid coming off. That's a perfect fish marinade. Use it. And it's killing two birds with one stone. Two very, very delicious birds with one stone. Anyway, take a look at these tacos. They're awesome.